Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start this video I just want to say a huge massive thank you to everyone who signed up to our trading signal and took advantage of our 25% discount that we had on our trading signal group this weekend. We had a record breaking week in terms of people signing up, so a huge thank you and welcome to the team. But if you weren't able to take advantage of our 25% sale, then don't worry, you can still join our trading signal group for a very small fee of $199. All you have to do is simply visit our website www.dailymarketmovements.com, where you can purchase the package. So in front of me is the euro over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today we are trading in the red. Bizarrely, we did have a close above the 200-day EMA on Friday. However, today we have fallen back below it. However, we have found a little bit of support at that 50-day EMA. Whether it will hold or not, time will tell. I'm currently a buyer of this market. I have my stop loss at that 1.09500 level, which is just beneath the top of this downtrend that we've been in since September. It's a very toxic downtrend which we've been in for over a year and a half now, as it ranges all the way back to September 2018. So it would be very bad for the bulls of this market if we do fall back into a downtrend. You know, markets have been extremely volatile and choppy, especially this one, along with the British pound over the US dollar chart in recent weeks. And you know, we did break above that 200-day EMA. We broke back below it, then we broke back above it on Friday, and now we're trading back below it. So what I'm doing now, I'm going to stick with that sell, and hopefully we can regain the 200-day EMA tomorrow or before the end of a trading session this evening. But time is running out, and it's looking very unlikely. So now, if you haven't got a trade open right now, I would just sit on the sidelines and wait to see how this one plays out. I would be looking to open a sell trade at that 1.09500 level where it triggers my stop loss, and then I would target that 1.07 level. However, if we can pull back and finish below that, above that 200-day EMA, or we do trade above there tomorrow, and we can break the highs that we got on Wednesday, then I would be a buyer of this market targeting that 1.14 level. However, either way that this goes, you have got a great win to loss ratio. You know, if you can open a trade at that 1.09500 level, then you can just put your stop loss above the 200 or the 50-day EMA. It's still, if you're targeting that 1.7, you still have a good 3-2 win ratio, or a 3-1 if you do place a stop loss just above that 50-day EMA. And then on the flip side, if we can break above the highs on Wednesday, then you also have another great win to loss ratio, due to the fact you can just put your stop loss at that 1.095 level, and you've kind of got a 3-1 win loss ratio. So this is it has the potential to be a very good trade here on the Euro US dollar chart. But as I mentioned before, if you're not in it yet, don't jump to any conclusions. Wait for one of the signals to trigger at that 1.09500 or the highs on Wednesday. In terms of the RSI, we are bang on in the middle. We have plenty of territory to move to the upside, as well as having plenty of territory to move to the downside.